So the Frontier PMO is really a concept that I think has started to evolve and really came to fruition as part of understanding where Microsoft was going with the concept of the Frontier Firm, which they launched last year. It was part of their work index of 2025, and they've continued. The new work index report is just out. But really, the idea is to try to start to put some context around everybody's, AI's everywhere. Love it or hate it. There's all kinds of takes on it, but it is becoming a part of work management and project management, right?
Absolutely. And I think that the annual report by Microsoft just keeps getting better and better as they talk about this new world of work. And as someone who was at Microsoft for 10 years, I know that all the aspirations and the way we've changed, in these decades. So, we're at a very important moment and everything is changing.
Yep. And I think it really is an inflection, right?